Welcome back to our Swift program series. In the last episode, we explored what Swift is and why it's become such a popular language for developing apps. Today, we are going to dive into the building blocks of any Swift program: constants, variables, and comments. Let's get started. So, what exactly are constants and variables, and why are they important? Constants declare using the keyword let represent values that cannot change once they are set. For example, if you define a constant let pi is equals to 3.14, the value of pi will remain 3.14 throughout your program. Variables declared using the keyword where represent values that can change over time. For example, where age is equals to 25 allows you to modify the value of age later in your code. The key difference is that constants are used for values that should remain the same, like a tax rate or a conversion factor. Variables are used when you expect the value to change, such as the user scores in a game or the current date. Let's see how easy it is to create constants and variables in Swift. To declare constants, use the keyword let followed by the name you choose for it and then assign a value. For variables, use the keyword where. Notice how we didn't specify the data type. That's because Swift uses type inference to automatically detect the type based on the value assigned. Swift is smart enough to infer that the number of apples is an integer int based on the value assigned. This reduces code verbosity while maintaining type safety. Comments are an essential part of any programming language. They help you and anyone else reading your code understand what your code does. Single line comments. To create single line comments, use 2 forward slashes. Anything written after these slashes on the same line will be ignored by the compiler. Multi-line comments. For multi-line comments, use forward slash asterisk to start and asterisk backward slash to end the comment. This is useful when you need to write longer explanations or temporarily disable blocks of code. While comments are helpful, they should be concise and relevant. Over-commenting can clutter your code, while under-commenting can make it hard to understand. Aim to write self-explanatory code and use comments to clarify the intent or logic that might not be immediately obvious. Let's try a hand-on exercise. Create a Swift program that declares a constant for the maximum number of users, max users, and a variable for the current number of users, current users. Then add comments explaining the purpose of each description. And that's a wrap on constants, variables, and comments in Swift. Remember, constants hold values that do not change, variables hold values that do, and comments help keep your code readable and maintainable. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into data types and type safety in Swift. Stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Got questions or topic you would like us to cover? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.